Okay, hi everybody. This is Sarah, and then this is my assistant.
Hi, I'm Journey.
And we're going to show you guys how to do the competition eye makeup and lips and cheeks for you. So we already started with our foundation all on. So we've already done foundation all over our face and concealer underneath our eyes. And that's about all that you've done too, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you might have noticed we looked a little goofy that we have one side already done. And we're going to show you how to finish the look on the other side. Okay? So what we're going to grab is your Mary Kay palette here. So we're going to start with the Moonstone, which is your lightest color. So we're going to take your brush, and it's going to go all over your eyelid from the lash line all the way up to your eyebrow. So dancers can do this, or moms, you can practice this on your girls too. So it takes a couple times to get the hang of it. We were just talking about how chilly it is outside, and here we are in the basement doing some makeup. Okay, so now that it's all, you have a nice layer across your eye. Now we're going to do the Amber Blaze, which is that kind of bronzy orange color, and you're going to go from your lash line all the way through your eyelid right to your crease. Okay, you can go first. We're sharing a palette today. And you don't need a lot. You can always add more. But it's got to be a little darker than what you feel comfortable with because we need to see it from stage. So I always say at least 2 shades more that you're comfortable with. Then that's about the right color. And you can always bring it out a little bit because we want your eyes to look nice and big. So if you can kind of see that. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, now we're going to take your Sweet Plum, which is your purple, and you're going to put it in the crease of your eye. So you're going to make a V right here, and you're going to pull it out to the end of your eyebrow. So it's going to pull those eyes so they look nice and big. So you can take a different brush. You can use the same brush. We're using the same brush. And these colors are really potent, so you can always add more. But this is going to give the depth to your eye. So you can see how it's starting to make that shape. Do you have a shape already, Journey? Perfect. Okay. So we're going to fill that in a little bit. I need a little more. And then I always put it underneath my eyelash line, and it makes them a little more deep. So then you have a little more color to your face. Yep. Okay. So we're starting to come together. Yeah? Okay. Can everybody see that? I guess you can't answer us. You can let us know. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to take your liquid eyeliner, and we're going to put that on your top lash line. So you're going to always go from the in corner. You're going to take little strokes to come all the way out, and you want it to go a little past your natural lash line. So she's going to bring her mirror to her. I'm going to go up here, okay? So don't be scared of the liquid eyeliner. We like liquid eyeliner for your top lash line because this is going to help cover any mistakes we might have once we put the lashes on. And it's always okay. It's never too bold. So dancers might like to put it a little more bold than is needed, but that's okay. We can always fix it. Okay, so while she's finishing that, I'm going to put eyeliner right underneath. So you're going to go from like your pupil out. So I just use a pencil for underneath. Unless you're really brave and want to do the liquid underneath. Which I've seen some of them do. So now we're starting to come together. Okay. All right, so now we're going to add some eyebrows. So as a performer, you need to have some eyebrows. and big eyebrows are in right now. So you can take any pencil you want. What does yours look like? It's like a...
I have like this dip brow that I use. And it just kind of has like a little brush on the end and then a little
Perfect.
shaper on the other
Okay.
end.
So whatever you feel comfortable with. But we just want to thicken them and make them a little more larger than life. I'm not looking at the right part of my phone when I'm talking to you. There, so then it looks more defined. Yeah? Okay. Perfect. So then I'm going to show you, I'm going to put an eyelash on this eye. Journey has lash extension, so she's not putting them on, but if she was a dancer, she would put a little heavier eyeliner on and more mascara. So you can take any kind of eyelash you want, but when you put them on, you don't want them directly in the corner. You want them a little farther out, and then it finishes all the way to your eyelash line here, and it might hang over a little bit, but makes your eyes that much bigger. So you take your glue, whatever glue you like. I like the red Aspen one, but any of them will do. Moms, maybe you guys should do this the first couple times on your dancers, unless they want to try, or buy some really cheap ones and then they can practice on them. But if not, we'll check to make sure. They need to make sure they have lashes on, because it makes a big difference. Like if you look at the eyes here. So all you're going to do is you can take a bobby pin and open it, and then take the glue and then put it on your lashes there. Let it dry, get a little tacky. And then you're just going to put it on your lash line. Kind of far away from a mirror, so bear with me. So you're just going to pull it out to the corner so it finishes in the corner. There. Okay, so then what we would do next is take our mascara, and then you blend them both together, which I didn't grab my mascara. But you would put mascara on both of them. And then you would just finish. Oh, wait, I have some with. There we go. Black is preferred. So then all you would do is just get your bottom lashes. And then you're going to blend them together on the top. Okay? Perfect. Now we're going to add our blush. So you just want to go on the apples of your cheeks, and it's going to come out. So with your dance makeup, it's got to go a little farther up so we can see it. Okay? So I always smile when I do it. Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just going to smile. You're going to take our bold berry cheek, start in the apple, and then come all the way up. And this stuff does stay, even through a lot of sweat, it'll stay through. You can never have too much blush on though. So, and it's really fun to see when you're actually looking at the pictures after they're done dancing, and you can see their makeup.
Super like contour.
Yes, and it looks really pretty. And the girls get a lot of pretty nice comments about their makeup. So the last thing we're going to do is our lip sense. So we're going to take this blue-red color. We're going to shake it up and down this way, and it makes the formula bond together better. You don't want to go this way with your lip sense. You want to go up and down. Okay, and before we start, we're going to wipe off anything that we might have on our lips. So whether it's like a waxy lip balm or any other, like if your foundation fell on it. So it's nice and clean. Okay. Okay. So you're going to wipe off any excess product so it feels like the wand's almost dry. And you're going to go one direction the first time. So you're going to stretch your lips open. You're just going to follow your lashes, your lips around. And try not to let them touch. So you're almost making a lip line. So you're going to wait 10 seconds for it to dry. The first time it might burn. It's just taking off any excess, like if you have waxy lipstick or lip balm that you guys wear, it's just going to pull it off, and it's going to, it might peel the first couple of times you wear it. It's just pulling off all that dead skin off your lips, so, which is a good thing. So now you're going to go back in, you're going to wipe off the product till it feels almost dry, and then you're going to go back that same direction. So we're not going back and forth like we do for lip gloss. You want to go in one motion, because when you go back, you're pulling off the product. So I just go across. Make sure you get in those corners. And then in that water line too. I'm gonna try. Okay. Then for the last time you're gonna go across, you can go both ways to make sure the color is nice and full. So you want to do 3 layers total. So one's really thin, the second one's another thin layer, the third one's very thin as well, but you can go back and forth. So like you said, you don't want them to touch, but you're probably not going to talk while you put this on. Okay. Yeah, you got in our water line. Okay, now to seal our color in, I need to take your glossy gloss. I feel like I'm gonna set it everywhere. And you just put it all over so your lips don't touch anywhere. So you don't get sticky anywhere. So those corners tend to get kind of sticky back. And you got your color on. And your color's not gonna come off after you have your gloss on. So you have nothing. So, and then if you guys want, you can always put a finishing spray on your makeup to seal in your face. So I'll just finish spray journey here. Okay. Okay, so there's our makeup tutorial. If you guys have any questions, let us know. But thanks for watching, and we'll see how you guys do at our first halftime performance.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.